This is my 10-step process by Amanda Brookover. For step 1, we are supposed to think of all the ideas, relationships, and themes that we could think of that related to this topic. The topic was social media dangers. So what I did was immediately went and searched for social media websites such as Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube. And then from that, I went from the dangers of it, which could be sexting and cyberbullying. Next, I went and made a few sticky notes. A few of them contain the information such as no privacy, there are predators, there's no age verification, stranger danger, compromising pictures with information, only add the people you know, keep the work computer use to only work computer use. There are identity thieves and employers have access to your social media. I also thought related to this topic that the idea of how to keep safe would be employed. For step 2, we were supposed to watch the source material and then write what we remember, the ideas and themes and relationships. So there was obviously the social media websites such as Twitter and MySpace mentioned. There were spammers, hackers, scammers. The use of common sense should be employed, along with all your email accounts were mentioned, because those spammers, hackers, and scammers could get your account information and then steal other information from that. Also, it was said, would you let your closest family member see what you're posting? I thought that was very important when you stated that. In step 3, we're supposed to compare and contrast the information that was said, our predictions, and then separate the two in an organized form. So on the top is what was said, on the bottom is what was not said. On the right set of sticky notes was what was said after my first time watching the source material. The left set of sticky notes is what I predicted would be said. In step 4, we're supposed to note the salient linguistic features. I noted that the speaker did not appear comfortable speaking about this topic. There is little to no emphasis on any of the topics or words being used. There is a informal register being used, and the speaker's tone remained the same throughout the text. He was very monotone throughout the whole speech, and he was very staccato throughout it, pausing and not forming full ideas before finishing his sentence. In step 5, we were instructed to make an abstract of the overall theme. My abstract was, awareness of the dangers of social media needs to become more prominent. In step 6 is my rendition of the text in the source language from using only my maps that I've created. In step 7, we were supposed to take the information from step 4, the salient linguistic features, then compare them to features in the target language that will be used to mimic those salient linguistic features, like monotone signing, filler words, informal register, internal processing of the speaker, and little to no facial expressions being used. In step 8 is a categorized map of the information said during the source material speech. You can follow the arrows and follow the information throughout the source material, starting with social media, the hackers and cyberbullying, bad things said on Twitter, Facebook, or whatever, and then use of those. You need to use common sense when thinking about a status update or picture. Employers can look at this. Protect your information. Don't fall for the pop-up ads. Hackers can get your bank account information. Cyberbullying. Protection, like antivirus. The use of common sense. Social media is meant to be good. Employers still have access to your information, and hackers will still continue to steal your information. And step 9 is my use of the maps in the the target language, In step 10, I am doing an interpretation in the target language. Thank you.